पंचायत एरियाचे डिलिमिटेशनाची प्रक्रिया 5 मे म्हळ्यार जातली आणि ते उपरांत 4 दिसांनी राखीव पंचायती नोटिफाय करतले म्हूण गोंय सरकारान हायकोर्टाक बुधवारा सांगले. ताजे फुडें पंचायत वेंचणूक घेवंक आनी 33 दीस लागतले म्हणून राज्य वेंचणूक आयोगान कोर्टाक सांगला.
High Court has directed that the elections should be entire process of elections for the panchayat elections shall be completed by the state by the respondents, that is state and by the government and the state election commission on or before 12th of June 2017.
And sir, what about delimitation process and reservation process?
High Court has recorded the statement of Learned Advocate General that the delimitation process should be completed by this Friday.
सरकारान डिलिमिटेशनाचे प्रक्रियेक उशीर केल्ल्यान पंचायत वेंचणुकेकूय उशीर जालो म्हूण हायकोर्टान सरकाराची खरडपट्टी काडली. कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट चालू आसतना पंचायतीचे वॉर्डाचे डिलिमिटेशन काम चालू उरले म्हूण कांय फरक पडना म्हणून कोर्टान निरीक्षण केले.
Court has said that all these are flimsy reasons. The Tomar Singh's judgment, as well as the judgments given by our own High Court, basically say that such human-made reasons cannot be the reasons for following the constitutional mandate. To hold the elections in time is a constitutional mandate in terms of Article 243E of the Constitution. So that has to be complied with under any circumstances. That is the finding of the court.
पयली 25 जून उपरांत 17 आनी आतां 12 जून वा ते पयली पंचायत वेंचणूक जातली इतले खरे. अजाप म्हळ्यार हातूंतली एकूय तारीख आजून वेंचणूक आयोगान स्वता जावन जाहीर केल्ली ना. सगळें सरकारूच करता. वेंचणूक आयोगान थारायिल्ली 21 मे. प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार.